Okay, so this site is BTC Guarantee, right? I found this site through that Litecoin mine moon thing. Anyway, pretty much what I did was I signed up, and I was gonna send out the affiliate link to everyone so you guys can see it. I'll do all that today on my other video that I did it underneath when I talked about it. But what happens is this site and a few other sites, when you Google them or YouTube them, it's like no one's talking about them. So you don't know if they're real, if people are getting paid out, if people are getting scammed. So this site and another site, I actually emailed, and I'll show you this one because I actually know where the email is. But I emailed them and I said, what happens if I didn't get my payout? Then they said, hello, we haven't received your deposit. What's your username? Like I mentioned, I didn't send a deposit, so I wasn't really sure if they would even respond. So they did, and we're just going to go with that. So they responded, and I'm going to send them some Bitcoins, and we're going to see what happens. Now, paid out, right? So if you look at the paid out, it does show like as of like almost 2 hours ago. They're saying that they're paying out people. So the things that make me kind of like, okay, this is a scam, and are the big payouts. So let's say we want to make a deposit. So they got a few different plans: 600%, 5,000%, and then 40,000%. Okay, that's pretty ridiculous, given the fact that if you multiply those two numbers up, you equals $1.2 million. So if you're giving them one Bitcoin, they're gonna give you back a million and a quarter point, Bitcoins pretty much. That's a lot, you know what I mean? Like you become a millionaire in 3 days. I don't see that happening at all. So let's just say that that's not going to happen. That's a scam, right? But the rest of it, now we need to know if it at all will send out any funds whatsoever. So I'm going to put up 30 bucks, and we're going to see if it multiplies it times 6. This does remind me of other sites that have been scams in the past that I did do reviews on. But the problem is those other sites also had reviews, and those people also got paid out. This one in particular is not up there. So we're just going to do it just for the hell of it. So, okay, we're going to do plan A, and down at the bottom it says how much do you want to spend. We're going to spend $30, the bare bones, the minimum. Okay? So this is what it's saying it needs from me. To be $30, it needs to be 0.0128. But if I go down to the bottom, it should actually break it down number for number. Okay? And I'm going to write that down just like I did for Coin Crazy. So we got 0, 1, 2, 8, 4, 3, 2, 9. Okay. Cancel that. Copy that. And then we're going to go into, I just want to check something really fast because that number looks very close to the one that I just sent off. No, it's not the same. Okay, whatever. Even if it was the same, I know it wouldn't be the same though. Okay, so 0.0128432 9 1284 1284 329 329. Okay, so I want to make sure it was precise because they're always going to have like a little bit of a buffer. So it's a 30 cents buffer usually built in. It's always about right, 30 to 40%, 33 to 40 cents is what I usually see as far as a buffer wise. So we're going to send them $30 and hopefully we get back 180. Do I think we're going to get that back? Probably not. But hey, listen, they emailed me back. They let me know that that they are listening, and let's see what happens. So once we go down to the website again, it says it's being processed manually. We need one confirmation to confirm. So I'm going to stop this video here. You guys can like, subscribe at this point. I'm going to stop it here. The reason why I'm going to stop it is because it takes forever. Last one took about an hour. It was about, I think it was like 53 minutes for it to go through. So I'm going to stop it here, and then I'll click back in. So I waited, and I think it was like 15 minutes. I don't even know. But it could have been less. Basically, it takes you to this screen right here. The deposit has been successfully saved. Account. All right, so let's go to account. Let's just see what's on the home page. It shows my deposit here. If it ever lets me highlight it, it shows my deposit here and your deposits, and it shows them here. Same setup as the other site, pretty much here, deposited, you know, you get your deposit back, pretty much, blah, blah, blah. So I guess we'll see, you know, if tomorrow I wake up and I have $180 worth of Bitcoins or 200, whatever it is, I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated with the progress. If you look at it like this, right? So, and this is why I say that this is 100% a scam. No matter what it looks like it says, this is why I'm going to point out it's a scam. If you were to take the $30 I just put up and you make it into 180, and then take, I don't know, $50 or $100. Let's say you took $100 and okay, yeah, you took the $100 and you turned the $100 into 300, or it's gonna actually give you 600. But you say you take 50 bucks. Take 50 bucks, you turn it to 300, right? You take that 300, you turn it to 1500. You can take whatever amount from out of the 1500. You can turn that into $3,000, which is like, you know, like 1,000, I guess. And then you could take that money and you can pretty much turn that into $1 million, right? The reason why I'm pointing out that this is fake is because if you, in 10 days, you could pretty much take $30 to $50 and you could turn that into $1.2 million in less than 10 days. So any site that's like promising you that you could become a millionaire in a short amount of time has to be a scam. If I become a millionaire off of this, I will tell you this, like, no lie, if for whatever reason this is legit and for 10 days I just rack up $1 million, or let's just say I make 2 million, we'll just point out 2 million. The first 10 people that put their Bitcoin address in there, I'll give $100,000 to. This is so impossible. I don't even think I'm gonna get the $180 back, let alone turn into $1 million. I'll pretty much give away the freaking $1 million if this is real, because it would make no sense for no one else to do this. You know, I wouldn't even let you risk it. I would just put the money up instantly. Just say, hey, just put your Bitcoin address in there and I'll give you $1 million. So I don't believe it to be real, but we're gonna try it out. I just want to just show you guys that I'm not, if you guys notice, I don't point out a lot of the sites that I feel like, hey, look, you know, we can you know, make Bitcoins in 7 days. We can make our money back in 7 days, in 10 days. I try not to do those sites. I try to do these type of sites because what I realize is that these are the ones that are going to get you, and these are the ones that no one else is doing, because these are the ones that there's no guarantee I'll get my money back. These are the ones that are hardest to swallow when losing, because you can't get any referral money. So for those that are following other people and they're jumping in with those other people, just remember, if they get 5 to 20 people to sign up, they'll get their Bitcoins back instantly. So they don't have to worry about losing any money off of the sites not paying out anymore, because they've made back their money within a couple of days. Those of you that are following me, you guys understand that I just want to show you guys what I find, what I found to be real, and what I've tested out with my own money, not yours, but mine. And I'm willing to put my money up on the line to show you guys what, you know, what's working and what's not. So I thank you guys for following me. I have like over 100 people that subscribe to me. I don't get 100 views, but hey, listen, you know, it comes with the territory. So I'll keep you guys posted on progress. Check in tomorrow, I will say about noon, because I'll probably end up giving it about an hour to see if it actually goes through. If it goes through, awesome. If it does not go through, I will post a video anyway showing you guys what happened. I'll give it about an hour, and then I'll send an email, and then I'll give an hour from that point to say I didn't receive my Bitcoins. And then I'll keep you guys posted on what happened with that email, okay? If you guys have any questions, put them down in my comments. If you like the video, like it, obviously, thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber.